The art of communication is the language of leadership, a famous quote by James Hume. This means a great leader stand out because they know how to communicate clearly and effectively. Communication becomes their most powerful and effective tool. Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Suriraj Joshi, a student of BBA second semester at Amity College, Mahendrinagar, Kanchanpur, Nepal. Welcome to you all in my presentation video. This video is also a practical task for me assigned by my soft skill practicum teacher Mr. Maniram Pandey. Without any delay, we start our presentation video. The topic of the presentation is formal letters and memos. Here we go with the introduction. We all know communication is the exchange of information, news, views, ideas, or many more. And formal communication is the sharing of information, news, views, ideas in a structural or professional way. In this video, we discuss about two important written formats that are formal letters and memos. They are used in schools, office, organization, etc. Now, what is formal letter? We know the letter which is written using a professional way is known as formal letter. We used to write a formal letter for requesting something, for complaint, as application, to inquire about something, and etc. Let's see the format of formal letter. Here we can see sender's letter, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body, closing, and signature. And as the old format, we see the sender address, date, and receivers are used to write at the right hand side. But as a new trend or new format, we see the sender's address, date, and receivers are in left hand side of the paper. So we will follow the same pattern as the sender's address, date, receiver's address in the left side of the paper, and the subject we can write in a center, then the salutation as a dear sir, dear madam, respected sir, anything, then a body. In body we include three things: introduction, main body part, and conclusion. In introduction we will briefly write about the message which we have to write in a letter. Then in main body part we will explain or elaborate the introduction part. Then in conclusion we will conclude the message in short and sweet lines. Then we will close it by saying yours sincerely, with regards, your faithfully, etc. And then if you are writing a formal letter as an individual to your something organization or something, you can write your name and signature. But if it was from the organization, if you are the representative of the organization, you use stamp, signature of the chairperson, HR, or manager. Now, example of formal letter. This is not a complete example of a formal letter, it's just a sample. You can have an idea from this. Then, now, what is memo? Memo is the short form of memorandum. It means memorandum is used to inform, update, or instruct employees about the future event. Memo is the brief message used within an organization. We know memo or memorandum we can write to inform our employees or juniors, to inform about the future event, and we don't use memo for the external use. It is just for internal use within an organization. Now, a format of memo. It's look like a email, but here in two we write who are receiving this memo, like employees or the juniors. You can include their name as well, and in from we write the name of a sender, like a manager, uh, or the CEO of a company, etc. Then a date when you are sending a memo. Then subject, what is it about? It highlight the events. And then the message, briefly write a message what you want to update about. Then example of memo. Here we can see a short example of memo. Then we know both formal letters and memos are essential for professional communication. As I said, formal letters are used for external communication, and memos are used for internal communication within an organization. And always remember that be polite in your tone, be clear in your language. Your letter should be persuasive to the another organization's office or etc. to whom you are trying to convince about something in a letter. And now, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for supporting me. Have a nice day. Thank you.